Okay, everybody, here we go. It's time for some wings. It's time for some wings. Got our trusty rack here. Got mostly flats because I love them. A couple drumettes. This is going to be fun, kids. We're going to cook this on the BPS drum at about 275. We're going to season it with Big Papa's Competition Stash and Sweet Money Hot because I love Sweet Money Hot so much. And it really helps with the sauce too. Now, the sauce today is going to be really fun for you guys. The sauce is a honey sriracha sauce. I might even sneak a little lime in there. Who knows? I might even put some hallelujah lime in there. Got them nice and spaced out. Base rub. Stash. It's got a lot of savory, but it's also got some sweet and some heat, which is really nice. Just beautiful savory notes in it. Pepper, garlic, onion, the works. So we'll go put these on the drum. As soon as they're seasoned up, just pat them down. No need for glue, just pat them down and give them a little time. Here's the Sweet Money Hot. All right, we're gonna flip them over. These won't take long. We'll cook them for about an hour at 275, see how they look. Pat them. Take them out. Put them on the cooker. Hey, let's make some wing sauce. So what we're gonna do, about a quarter cup of grannies, about a quarter cup of honey, about an eighth of a cup of sriracha, and then we're gonna taste it. A little more there. And we need the lime. I need the little citrus. You know, it's like having a little salt, a little sweet, a little heat. So the juice of a half of a lime. Let's taste it, kids. I'm gonna give it just a hair more lime. Boy, that's beautiful. A little dash of stash, just to give it some sodium. Sauce, man. Oh, that's good. That's really good, and I'm not just saying it. Drums at 275. Got the fire up close. And on the drumettes, use the fat part towards the fire. We'll turn these over in about 20 minutes. We'll get an idea how the color's looking, how the cook's going. We'll always give them as much room as you can. Closer. In 20 minutes. Let's take a little temperature. 162, beautiful. 160. Ooh, perfect. They're even all over. So what we're going to do is just flip them over. Okay, I like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bump it up to 300. A few minutes. Okay, let's turn them over. Move them onto that side. Right. Okay. Whoa, whoa, baby. The last couple here. There we go. Okay, my smoked and charred wings, don't panic. They're exactly what I want. I want that char. It's gonna work well with the sriracha. So we've got our sriracha honey lime. No other way to do it but this way. Get your hands dirty. Don't you love seeing me so happy? And we're golden. Clean up the plate and take some pictures.